एक दिन एक बच्चा सब्सक्राइब करके बेल नोटिफिकेशन ऑन करना भूल गया था। अगले दिन वो बच्चा ही नहीं मिला।
Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hope you guys are doing good. Today we'll be talking about the great, the mighty, the champions, the Mumbai Indians. Let's begin. So as you all know, Mumbai Indians have a lot of money. So if you have more money, then you'll have a good team, right? Logic. So let's start with their captain first, Rohit Sharma. Amazing player. Statistics are not good for him. He's played 15 matches, 405 runs, with an highest of 67 and average 28.92. Not that good for Rohit Sharma standards, but again, he's a good player, as we all know. He's an amazing player. On his days, he can be really dangerous. He can just destroy any side. He's a very smooth batsman, like powerless shots hote uske. When he plays, I really like him. One thing I don't like about Rohit Sharma is he's not fit. He's just not fit. If you compare like with Virat Kohli or Shikhar Dhawan or any player, they all are fit, but this guy has just not been fit. So that's one concern that I have for him. But again, it doesn't matter if this guy scores runs. Next player in the list is De Kock. Great batsman and a great keeper. I like him. He's a good player and a good team player. Last year was a good year for him. He scored 529 runs with an highest of 81 and average was 35.26. Good enough. De Kock is a good player and I think he's gonna play good in UAE because he has played in UAE before. He knows the conditions out there. So I don't think he will have any problems in UAE. And also UAE is for the batsmen, so I think he's gonna play good. So yeah. So let's see how De Kock plays in UAE. So the next batsman in the list is Chris Lynn. I really like him. He's a good batsman. मैंने last video में बोला था आप लोगों को ऊपर आया रहेगा check कर लो. He's an amazing batsman. He's gonna be the Mumbai Indians this season. Last year he scored 405 runs with an highest of 82. Average was 31.5. This can be much better. Guys. Trust me, he's gonna be amazing in UAE. लिख के लो, I'm again telling you guys, he's gonna be amazing in UAE. So let's see how he performs in UAE. The only concern for me is who's gonna open for them. They have and Chris Lynn. So that's a concern who will open for them. But I don't think Rohit Sharma will open for them because he doesn't open in IPL. I think De Kock and Chris Lynn both will open for them. And again, man, this is a good combination. So let's see how it's going to be for Mumbai Indians. Another player in the list is Aditya Tare. Good player, but again, he's not performed that good in IPL. He hasn't played from 2018. Also in 2017, he's average 6, not at all that good. But again, this guy can be dangerous. I still remember that match when Mumbai Indians and Rajasthan Royals had played, and Mumbai Indians needed one ball 6 runs or something like that, and this guy scored a 6, and they won that match only because of this guy Aditya Tare. So I still have that memories. So yeah, he can be dangerous, but yeah, I don't think he's going to play in the 11 for Mumbai Indians this season. So let's see what happens with him. So the next player in the list is Anmolpreet Singh. I have not seen him. This is going to be his debut tournament. So let's see. He's a right-handed batsman. So let's see how he performs for Mumbai Indians. So the next player in the list is Anukul Roy. I have not seen him play. Again, let's see how he plays. He's a left-handed batsman. So let's see. Last year he had played, but only one match. So let's see how he plays for Mumbai Indians this year. So next player in the list is Dhaval Kulkarni. amazing bowler. I like him. Uh, he's going to be a key bowler for Mumbai Indians this season. I think so. Again, he has played last year 10 matches. An average was 55.83, economy was 9.57. Next player in the list is Hardik Pandya. We all know Hardik Pandya, the man. I like him as a player, but yeah, you got me. Yeah. So his statistics are pretty good. 16 matches he played last year, with 402 runs in total, with an highest of 91 and average was 44.66, which is good, which is really good. I like him, amazing all rounder. As he's an all rounder, his also bowling statistics are also pretty much good. He took 14 wickets last season, with an average of 27.85 and economy was 9.17, which is good. A good bowler as well, a good batsman and a good fielder. In and all, he's a good player for Mumbai Indians again. So yeah, so let's see how he's going to play in UAE. So yeah, so let's see. So next player in the list is Ishan Krishnan, again a wicket-keeper batsman for Mumbai Indians. He has only played 7 matches last year with 101 runs and an average of 16.83. Okay, not that good batsman. I doubt that he's going to play this season for Mumbai Indians. Again, he's going to play very few matches like he did last year. So let's see what happens with this player. So the next player on the list is Bumrah, the great. We all know how dangerous that bowler is. Again, let's see how he performs in UAE. Really good, 16 matches with 409 runs given, 19 wickets with an average of 21.52, economy 6.63. Amazing. And being a bowler, ये बहुत कम बार इंजूर हुआ है, and that's a very good thing about Bumrah. He's been so fit and action भी ऐसा मस्त है उसका. Like I'm like amazing bowler. Like बहुत अजीब है उसका action. Like it just comes from here and balls. Good talented bowler, man. Mumbai Indians is lucky for having this kind of bowler. So the next player in the list is Jayant Yadav. I don't think he's going to play for Mumbai Indians this season. At least he's not going to be in the 11. That's what I think. Let's see what. Last year he's only played 2 matches. I don't think he's going to be. I don't think he's going to be good for Mumbai Indians. So yeah. So next player in the list is Pollard, the great. We all know he's an amazing player, amazing fielder, amazing bowler, amazing batsman as well. Let's see how he's going to perform in UAE. He has played in UAE when this T10 tournament happens. I guess 9 months ago he has played over there and he's not played that good. But again, he can be a dangerous batsman on his day, a dangerous fielder on his day. But yeah, let's see how he performs for Mumbai Indians this season. I think he's going to perform good. Last year he has performed good for Mumbai Indians, but last year he's not. So he's that kind of a player. It depends on his form. So yeah, so let's see how he performs this year for Mumbai Indians. And also bowling, he hasn't bowled last year. I don't know why. From last 2 years he's not bowling. So yeah, so let's see how he performs this year for Mumbai. So the next player is Krunal Pandya. Again a good player, not as good as Hardik Pandya, but okay, a good player. Last year's statistics were okay. Like I'm not satisfied. Batting, he only made 183 runs with an average of 16.63 and yeah, so not that good. And coming to bowling, he has been average, took 12 wickets last year. Economy was also 7.28. So I think he's more of a bowler than a batsman. So if he is that kind of a player, I don't think he's gonna be good in UAE. Again, I've told you, because UAE pitches are just not for the bowlers. So let's see this season. Let's see what happens. So the next player in the list is Rahul Chahar. Again, I don't think he is gonna play for Mumbai Indians this season. Because again he's a spinner. I don't think he's gonna play again, because I'm telling you again and again, UAE is just not for the spinners. It's worse than India. India में तो थोड़ा तो spin हो जाता है, but UAE में just होता ही नहीं spin. So these spinners will have a terrible time in UAE. I don't think even he's gonna be in the 11 for Mumbai Indians this season. But yeah, let's see what happens. Next player on the list is Rutherford. Okay. He's an all-rounder. Last year he played for Mumbai Capitals. This season Mumbai Indians have taken. Again, not that kind of a player. He's not preferred for his bowling, but he's preferred for his batting. But he can also bowl, so that's a. So let's see what. So next player on the list is Surya Kumar Yadav. KKR player, ex-KKR player, we can say. I like him when he was in KKR, but when he went to Mumbai Indians, I was like, why the hell did he go to Mumbai Indians? And he played really well last year. Statistics were really good. He played 16 matches, 71 was his highest, with an average of 361, made 424 runs. Wow. Amazing batsman. He's going to play again good for Mumbai Indians this season also. Let's see how he performs. Let's see how he performs this season. Next player on the list is Trent Bolt. I like him. He's an amazing bowler. But again, he's only played 5 matches last year. Took 5 wickets. Average was 32. Economy was 8. Good. So let's see how he performs in UAE. Next player on the list is Nathan. Again, I don't know how he's going to play in UAE and for Mumbai Indians. He's not played from last 2 IPLs. He's directly played in 2017, where he only played 8 matches. 15 wickets he took, which is good. That's a good number. And with an average of 15, economy was 8. Good. So let's see how he plays for Mumbai Indians this season in UAE. So yeah, let's see how he plays. Next player on the list is Saurabh Triwari. When he started his IPL, I was like, this guy has talent. He's going to play really well. And I was very much confident that he's going to play for India also. But again, what happened, I don't know. His career just dropped suddenly. And again, he's not played IPL from 2017. He's not got a chance. In 2017 also, he's only played 1 match. So again, let's see how he in UAE. So yeah, so let's see. I don't think he's gonna play. He's gonna be in the 11 for Mumbai Indians. But again, you never know what happens. And yeah, let's see. I hope we see him. But yeah, let's see what happens. Player on the list is Mohsin Khan. This is gonna be his debut. I've not seen him play. Let's see how he plays. He's just 22 years. Let's see how he plays. I don't think he's going to get chance in the 11 because Mumbai Indians do have a lot of bowlers. So yeah, so let's see what happens. The next player on the list is Digvijay Deshmukh. Again, he's a fast bowler. Again, this is going to be his debut. Let's see. Again, I have not seen him. Mumbai have taken him for 20 lakhs for his base price. So yeah, so let's see how he plays again. Next player on the list is Prince Balwant Singh Rai. I haven't seen him play. Again, he's 21 years old. He played for under 16 level. Let's see how he plays again. He's a spinner, so I doubt that he's going to get. I love seeing youngsters play, and I'm really good. Like I'm really fascinated that Mumbai Indians are taking a lot of youngsters, and that's a very good thing. If they don't play, also they will be in the squad. They will learn a lot of things around because they will be with really good experienced players like Rohit Sharma, like Chris Lynn, Deacock. These players are international players, and you'll learn a lot of things if these players, even if they don't play, even if they are just with them in the training session, that's a really big thing for them. So yeah, so let's see how Prince Balwant Rai Singh plays this season. Let's see how he plays. So next player on the list is James Patterson, a good bowler. I think he's bought in the squad because Lasith Malling Indians. So I guess that's the biggest reason that Mumbai Indians have brought him. Again, he's a good player, but he's not played for IPL yet. This is going to be his debut. So let's see how he plays. I think he's going to play good. So yeah, he's played good for Australia. So I think he's going to play good for Mumbai Indians also. So yeah, so let's see how he plays. So that's it for the video, guys. If you like the video, like, share, comment down below, and let me know if I told anything wrong about any player. Just comment me down below. I'll do reply you guys. And yeah, so that's the team of Mumbai Indians. I really like that. I don't like that team, but the team is really strong for this season again. As you know, they have won 4 trophies. It's really good. They are the defending champions. So yeah, so respect. And again, this time's team also looks really strong. So yeah, so let's see how they play. And yeah, guys, that's it for the video. And see you next time. Bye.